Hey, fellas, what's up, man? Got an Easy Go here, LSV. What's the 2.5? They call it Easy Go 2.5. I'm going to show you how to speed it up with the handheld, because really the only way you can do it is with the handheld. And this is the handheld here. You can get these offline. If you don't work on them all the time, it's probably not worth the money into buying one. But if you have several of them, it's probably worth the money. All right, you look under here, this is RXV. I think these are one of the best cars, man. Got plenty of power, plenty of speed, AC motor. The only bad thing about them is the electronic brake. And it's not too bad. We've changed quite a few of them. But now they come out with a heavy duty brake, which is around $700 or $800. But not bad, man. I like them fast. The main thing, they got speed and torque. All right, so you're gonna plug it in there. Then you want to turn the key on. Then it comes up on the handheld Curtis, and you can see system infos, perimeters. What this does, perimeters, is what it's going to tell you your speed of stuff. All right. And parameters. You can adjust acceleration, like how fast you want it to get up to speed. This is on high speed, it's 24.6 miles an hour. All right, it's the fastest this handheld will allow you to go. Acceleration selection. You can change it, and we're going to put it on 3, so it gives you the most power taken off. How many RPMs? Speed to RPM. All right, reverse speed, low speed, which is this car here has got turtle and rabbit speed. Then you can go to monitor, which monitors all your settings in your controller. You can go to inputs, throttle, map, brake, map command, brake, checks your toe switch, pedal switch, tells you your charger plugged in, and you can tell too. I'm gonna take it, I'll take it and put it in, I'm gonna see. Let me go down some more on the handheld. You go down here, and I'm gonna put it in forward. All right, you see forward shows on, reverse shows off. Now I'll put it in on. Reverse, and you see reverse change to on. All right. This damn weather, man, don't know what it wants to do, man. It's got me kind of sick. One day it's 30 degrees, next day it's 70. All right, then you got your fault counters here. This tells you exactly how many times. This here, we had an HPD sequencing fault. And what that means is that before you turn the key on, it showed that the gas pedal was down. Probably because of RXV, you have to give it a second to register to check over everything. Over voltage, under voltage cutback. Control over current. Stall. And this here tells you, the hour meter tells you exactly at which hour, like the HPD high pedal happened at 2:44.9 hours. All right. So you go to the vehicle and hour meter 2:45.1. So that just happened about 0.2 of an hour. So you're looking about 0.2. Who knows, man? It's too much to figure out. Y'all got it. All right, then here's your diagnostic setting. When you go here and you press select, present errors, nothing. Fault history, I'm sure the HPD is there. Yep, there it is. All right, throttle zero check, some dumb shit. Now what I normally do, man, before I sell a cart, I will always take it, and you can hit this button right here. See, it says clear all. I always like clearing it before we sell the cart. That way, if something does happen, it won't give you the history. It'll just show you since they've had it. All right, man, that's it, man. I'll show you how to speed them up, man. This here is pretty good. They come set from the factory at 25 miles an hour. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll make some more videos, man.